Rosa taught people to code without a computer science degree, the way she had to learn it herself. 4 years of patient tutorials, and 500,000 people who went from scared to shipping their first real project. So, she built a full boot camp, sold through her own website. Her students signed up, typed in their income, their career goals, their card details, and paid. The analytics, the ad pixel, the replay tool. She was a coder, but she never looked at what those did. The letter came by email on an ordinary Wednesday, right after her morning build. Dear Mrs. Delgado, our client enrolled on your website, and before they ever accepted your cookie banner, your site quietly sent their personal information to other companies. The letter called that unlawful wiretapping under a California privacy law. It listed what fired, a script that recorded every keystroke on your enrollment form, your checkout, advertising pixels that shared it all with Meta and Google before anyone agreed to anything. The damages, it said, are $5,000 per violation. To make it go away, $44,800 within 21 days. Otherwise, a lawsuit. Rosa did not want to believe it, and she wrote code. She would have noticed. So she ran a scan of her own website, and she watched it happen. The moment her enrollment page loaded, before a single person clicked accept, 20 trackers fired. One was recording every keystroke on her intake form. Her students, typing what they earned, the salary they were chasing, their card number, and a script quietly copying all of it to a server she had never heard of. That was the part that stunned the most. And she taught people how the web actually works, and the trackers she pasted in without thinking had been quietly leaking her students' private financial details to strangers every day before anyone ever said yes. Her lawyer was blunt. These letters do not have to win in court. Judges do not even agree they hold up. They only have to cost more to fight than to pay. That is the whole machine. They go out by the thousands. $44,800. That was the money that let her keep the free tutorials free. It was a year of quiet, careful work. It was a punch straight to the gut of everything she had built. But sitting there, Rosa realized the fear had an answer. She could see exactly what her site sent and when, the same thing they had scanned. She did not have to guess or pay a lawyer $400 an hour to find out. She could face this knowing what was true and make her students' trust mean something again. Rosa had taught thousands of people to read code carefully, line by line. And the few lines she never read, the ones running quietly on her own website, were the thing that nearly undid her. Right up until she finally looked. Don't let this be your story. Forensic Consent. See what your site sends before consent for free at ForensicConsent.com. Check the description for more information